Jesus, where the fuck is my hat? Can't chef without the goddamn hat on. All right, here we go. That's the stuff, huh?
What do you think?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rob here. You right there. You're watching yourself another episode of Man vs. Din, the cooking show where I find a bunch of bullshit online that I want to make, and I make it with absolutely no culinary experience whatsoever, and you're coming along with me. It all started a little ways back when I found these macaroni and cheese pancakes. Let me fucking repeat that to you. Macaroni and cheese pancakes. This led me down the macaroni path, and hence this entire episode was born. For those of you that are new around here, you know that there are 3 courses. First off, the alcoholic appetizer. That's me. Number 2 is the edible internet entree. The third is the delicious dessert. What is it? I don't know. It starts with a D and then dessert. It's funny. It rhymes. Let's get started, shall we? I'm just gonna steal Crin's line. You. I saw this first one and I was like, all right, macaroni and cheese shots. Duh, somebody's had to do it. And of course, Tipsy Bartender is already on top of that shit.
Get some cheese powder. Okay, so we rim with our canned cheese.
Oh,
okay,
no, canned cheese.
And then we follow it up with some vodka. And then we come back with our canned cheese. Put a little mountain on top to keep it real sexy. All right? Just take a little sip. Your boy drinking right now, you know what I mean? But if I was...
What? You're not gonna...
Stay tipsy.
You're not gonna taste it? What? You just invented probably the grossest goddamn shot on the planet, and you're not even gonna taste it and tell us what it tastes like? Get the fuck out of here, tipsy goddamn bartender. Well, I mean, I guess that's what this show is all about. I see it on the internet, I recreate it, I taste it, you know, so that you don't have to. Macaroni and cheese shots, let's get them set up. Okay, all right, we're here on the counter making things. This is a cup that YouTube gave me at the Creator Summit for free. It's for tea, but I'm gonna use it for mixing alcohol.
Demonetized.
That is the macaroni portion of the meal. Powdered f***ing cheese. Everybody loves a good powdered cheese. Now grab yourself a little vodka. A little vodka in the bottle. Boom. Oh, yeah. Put a couple of them in there for good measure, you know? And then you put some milk in there. Cap it up. Shake the shit out of it. Oh, god damn it. That looks f***ing terrible. That's what we're ingesting soon. All right, time to make the rim here. Grab yourself some easy cheese. Oh, that's gross. And then a little bit of this cheese here. You take the rim of the glass and you just, ugh. Yeah, you do that. Oh, and then a little bit of this here. Huh? Look at that fucking rim job, huh? D-goddamn-monetized! Here we go. You ready for it? You probably are, because you sons of bitches aren't drinking it. I am. Oh, yeah. There it is, folks. The mac and cheese shot. Cheers to you guys for coming back watching this stupid shit for years. Years on end. Oh, okay. Bottoms up. Huh. Well, call me f***ing Mary. Holy f***ing dick. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. It's like a white Russian, but with f***ing macaroni and cheese. Oh, you want to here? Take it. Take a little dab. Boom. Yeah. Right? Cheers again to all 3.9 million of you subscribers. By the way, if you're not subscribed, f you. Ugh. Ooh, that one went down a little greasy. My hat is off to you, tipsy bartender, you fucking wacky crazy son of a bitch. All right, moving on to course number 2. Macaroni and cheese pancakes. Get yourself some pancake mix, and then get yourself some cooked macaroni. Follow said instructions on pancake mix. Get yourself a bowl. Half a cup of pancake mix. Add 1/3 a cup of milk. Do you really need all these instructions? Just make yourself some goddamn pancakes. Fast forward. I think that's good enough. You know, if you still got chunks in it, that's just more goddamn flavor. All right, once you're done mixing the shit out of this, you grab your cooked macaroni, and then you just throw it in there with some of this cheese packet, and you mix it up. Look at that. It all congeals into one f***ing thing. That is gross and exactly what you want. Next step, get yourself a pan to cook your pancakes in. Butter that shit up. That's hot. That's ready. Here we go. Macaroni pancakes coming up. Yeah, buddy. Shape them a little bit in the pan. Oh, shit. Look at that. Look at that. You ready? Oh, check out this flip. Oh. Oh, shit. Those are looking good. Boom! Now that those are flipping and flapjacking, we're gonna make our syrup. It combines the traditional pancake syrup along with a mac and cheese topping favorite, sriracha. Yeah. Just get crazy with it. Mix that shit up and you got yourself some sriracha maple syrup. Oh, fuck, that's good. This just got fucking stupid. If your friends have not seen this video and they've never heard of this and you make it for them, you're gonna fucking blow their goddamn mind balls off. Plating time. Get out of town. Get out of fucking Dodge with this shit. Come on now. Oh, there's macaroni and cheese in these. Are you fucking ready for it? You don't even know. I don't even know yet. Let's fucking taste these things. Oh, shit. There's the mac and cheese. That looks delicious. Bon appetit, or whatever. Oh my God. Holy shit. It's like the macaroni just like fucking melted inside of them. Oh my God. Look, you just break that apart. Can you see that? The macaroni is just mixed in there. I need some more of that sauce. You just fucking dunk that shit in there. The best fucking dinner I've ever prepared on the show. Corinne may have asked me to save her some. I'm just gonna tell her that they fucking turned out like shit. Oh my God. I totally fucking forgot. I'm over here fucking rubbing it in and you haven't even gotten a taste of it yet. Hold on. You gotta get the dunk. Open up. I hope you're not fasting this week. Oh, ew. Oh, hey, hold on. Save some for me. Christ almighty. Jesus. I just fucking housed those fucking pancakes like it wasn't anybody's business. But it is. It is my business. This is it. This is my business. This is my life. Coming straight from the madness of my mind is the third and final course. Now, I originally thought to myself, mac and cheesecake, right? Good play on words, probably tastes delicious. I looked them up and everything was savory. I didn't think really represented or celebrated dessert. But you and me, today, we are stepping into the unknown. Exploring culinary regions that no one has ever tackled before. We're gonna make some mac and cheese milkshakes. Look it up, Google that shit. Guess what comes up? Absolutely fucking nothing. That's because right here in this kitchen, the future is being written. Did that just fucking rhyme? What the fuck? God, you're getting all this for free. All right, let's get back to the third course here. The mac and cheese milkshake. Get yourself some macaroni and cheese. Boil that shit up. Boom, macaroni, check. I got the cheese over here, the sharp cheddars. I'm cutting that shit up, a little brie here. And then with a little milk, to make a nice dessert mac and cheese cream sauce. White chocolate chips. That's right, the whole fucking bag. Throw the rest of that powder in there. Straight up cheese and chocolate.
Beautiful, beautiful.
We're moving on to the next step. Grab yourself some more macaroni here. Boom, drop it like it's macaroni. Check this out. You're just gonna pour that right in there. Oh, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Ice cream. Hold on, I gotta taste it real quick and make sure that's vanilla. Woo. Ah, my teeth are cold. And then you just loop some of this in there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 scoops. This is how I mix things in a blender. Get a nice little chocolate rim there going on the glass. Then you go in for the pour. Oh shit. Are you seeing that? That's some fucking healthy junk food shit right there. And then you get a little Ready Whip on there. Woo! Get a little, what was I saying? Goddamn whipped cream coming up. Oh, shit. At this point, I would advise if you had sprinkles to sprinkle that shit up. Huh? Maybe with a little bit of sriracha on top? Oh, come on. May I present to you the world's first milk and mac shake. What? The mac and cheese milkshake, although I like mac and milkshake. I don't know, sprinkles, whipped cream, sriracha sauce on top. I don't know if you're ready, but I'm ready. It's thick. Oh God. That's not good. I'm gonna taste it again just to make sure. Oh shit. Sorry, I got some on you. Alright, real talk. This is fucking absolutely terrible. Don't do this. This is why when you Google mac and cheese milkshake, it doesn't exist because nobody has fucking done it. It's terrible. I need something to get the flavor out of my mouth. Oh, there's still some more. The macaroni pancakes and the sriracha maple syrup, these were the fucking winner. I know, I was supposed to be saving these for Karim, but I haven't seen her. I don't know what's going on. She doesn't fucking watch these videos. She'll never know. But do me a favor. We're real fucking close to 4 million subscribers. We've only been here on this fucking platform for 13 goddamn years. At least hit that subscribe button. Get us up to the big 4. Don't make us look like fucking assholes. I can't go around telling people I have 4 million subscribers when I have 3.9. It's unethical. If you got any future ideas for Man vs. Pins, Man vs. Dins, or any of the plethora of other shows that we have here on this channel, be sure that you leave those down below. Otherwise, I have no idea what we're doing around here next week. Fucking beats me. Oh, I got whipped cream all over the place. Speaking about fucking people beating me, holy shit, Corinna's gonna be pissed. This fucking place is a goddamn mess. All right, I gotta go. I'll see you around here, hopefully, next week. See ya!